Question number 11. Choosing the right automation tool. A sales team in Future Image Technologies Limited is looking to see a simplified way to create an account, especially when adding a prospect account. So this existing account creation process has too many fields to fill out. So which automation tool should an administrator use? Right? We got four options: workflow rule, process builder, approval process, flow builder. So the intent of this question is to test your understanding about the different automation features available in Salesforce. Certainly, we do have workflow, we do have process builder, we do have flow builder, we do have approval process. But of all these, automation tools, right? Workflow rule will run only in the background. It can help you to add, to perform some actions when a particular record is created or updated or sending an email and all such things. But it runs behind the scenes. Process Builder does the same. You can use Process Builder to do automation, that runs behind the scenes or in the background. User will never know what is happening, in the background. So I cannot use this to create a simplified screen, these two options, workflow and process builder, to build a screen. And the third option, approval process, cannot help here because approval process is meant to, right, as the name indicates, it is meant to configure, approval workflow in the system, right? So the option, the right option would be option D, flow builder, and this is how it will look like when you create a screen in flow. So as you can see, this is a standard, new account page. You can see a lot of fields, isn't it? So this is what, the concern from the sales team. There are too many fields to fill out. So they are looking for a simplified screen. So what we can do is we can use a flow builder to create a screen, a quick account, a screen to have only the important fields needed for the sales team to enter. So we can just create the account, right, automatically. So once this flow, the screen flow is created, you can just add the flow anywhere, in your Salesforce org. So this is added on the home page. Now you can see this, right? So this is the simplified accounts create screen. So it has only the relevant fields or the important fields, needed for the system to create, an account. So whenever it comes to building a screen, you can certainly think about, using a flow. Yeah. So that's the right answer to this question. So also, when this video is recorded, both workflow and process builder both are in sunset path. Salesforce has decided to sunset, workflow and process builder. So going forward, you cannot create a new workflow rule, you cannot create a process builder. So that is a migration tool available using which you can migrate your workflow, you can migrate your existing process builder to start, migrate that into a flow. So flow is the future, future and the one of the robust automation, features or tool available in Salesforce. Okay, so we'll leverage flow for any such automations. So the one that, this one is an example where you can actually build a screen, with a form that takes input from the user and get your process automated. So the right option to this question again is option